Hello everyone, Namaskar. Carom leaf, Ajwain leaf. I'm going to tell you a detailed information about this great plant and great leaves. This plant we call it as ornamental plant because of the properties, because of the usages. In Ayurveda, it was clearly mentioned ornamental plant is carom plant. Carom means Ajwain. Today I'm going to share with you how to use it, how to plant, and how to use this, what are the advantages, its properties, and everything I'm going to share with you in detail. Do you know that its pungent taste and aromatic flavor, which attracts every Indian kitchen? If you go to any Indian kitchen, most of the people they'll be using this carom leaf or ajwain leaf, and its leaf when you see it, so it is pulpy and soft. So this is grown in my garden. So it's so tender, pulpy, and soft. And the smell, if you see it, oh, lots of aromatic smell you'll find, and taste is also very pungent. So if you see the properties, it's having a rich in fiber, carbohydrates, antioxidants, copper, calcium, and also phosphorus, and vitamins like A, B, C, and E. A, B, C, E means only D is missing. So four vitamins are there. So properties are so much. And what are the advantages? Lots of advantages are there. Please note down whenever you have any kind of problem. Please go for natural treatment like using this ajwain leaves. The first thing is that it cures the cold and cough. Our ancestors they used to give this for cold and cough. Whenever someone is getting cough and cold, immediately what they used to do, take 10 to 12 ajwain leaves in glass of water, add a little bit of turmeric and also pepper powder. Boil it till it becomes 3/4 and lukewarm you drink it. You'll not say cold cough because it will vanish. No antibiotic, no medicines, and no syrups. Simple Indian method. This you can try for cold and cough. And second thing is that it relieves the stomach problems, stomach ache, and indigestion, acidity, bloating. Any of these things, if you find, definitely this is going to be useful. What you can do to prevent stomach related problems after having your lunch and dinner, just chew 2 to 3 leaves, ajwain leaves like this. So this is simply nice. Like 3 to 4 leaves you can chew it. Ajwain. This is the plant grown in my garden. Okay. So this relieves stomach related any kind of problem. Just chew 2 to 3 leaves of ajwain. And also it is good for oral health. You'll not find any bad breath, and also it's works like a mouth freshener, and you'll not have any teeth and gums related problems. Orally you can become hygienic, natural way to protect your teeth, gums, and entire mouth. Oral hygienic is possible. And fourth one is it is good for your hair. Healthy hair, if you want, you can use the ajwain leaves. How to use it? Just take 1 glass of water, add leaves, and boil it, cool it. When it is lukewarm, after taking head bath, I already suggested one magical hair oil, homemade hair oil, and also homemade shampoo also. So if you follow that, please use this one also. After taking bath, in the last rinse, you can use this water and rinse it and wash it with water. This is going to helpful for your hair because it nourishes the entire skin, no dandruff, and it works like an antifungal and anti-dandruff point of view. So this is good for health also. And these leaves are good for immunity booster. If you want to increase your immunity, then use these leaves. It is going to helpful for you. And next one is it is good for skin. How it is good for skin means having cooling properties, and it keeps your skin hydrated. So that is why always use these leaves. And next one is that it helps in decreasing the weight also, because whenever you eat these leaves, it's having rich in fiber, it keeps your stomach light. So that is why it is suggested to have these leaves, chew these leaves after having your lunch and dinner. At least 3 leaves, 2 to 3 leaves you can have it. So many advantages are the 7 advantages I told you. Now, how to use these leaves? Few recipes I'll tell you. First thing is that with ajwain leaves you can prepare a chutney. Just like mint chutney, we prepare mint chutney, tomato chutney. Any Indian chutneys we prepare in the same fashion. You can prepare ajwain chutney also. Very tasty you'll find. And also you can prepare bhaji. This is bhaji is famous. So you can prepare bhaji also. And in raita, whenever you prepare raita, chop these leaves finely and add it. And in salads you can use it. And also whenever you prepare veg juices like with bottle gourd, cucumber, tomato, you prepare one juice, right? Or otherwise carrot, tomato and beetroot juice, when you prepare, add 3 to 4 leaves. A good properties you are going to take. And also when you prepare masala tea we add everything. Along with that, add 3 leaves of this also. And you can prepare kada also, as I told you, for cold cough, one recipe in the beginning. In the same way, you can prepare kada also. So just use it. Properties are a lot, uses are a lot, and how to prepare I told you. This is an ornamental plant you must keep in your garden. If you have a balcony also, just you can plant it. You must have. By the way, how many of you are having already? How many of you are using these leaves? Let me know in the comment box. And also, I expect you to follow this seriously. Whenever something is useful, when you hear, you must note down and you have to implement. Otherwise, no use. Isn't it? So, stay connected. For all your good wishes and blessings, thank you. And see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Till that period, keep smiling, keep shining, and stay fit.